Now the news in detail. The Hinyatrap Youth Council today launched a vigorous poster campaign to bring attention to the growing drug menace and press the government for decisive action. Armed with thought-provoking slogans, the council members took to the streets to voice their concerns. Addressing the media, President of the HYC Roy Kupar Sindram declared plans for a mass public meeting on November 7, 2024 at Motpran. This rally aims to mobilize community support and intensify pressure on the government to address the drug crisis.
In Lailat or in Police Bazaar to do this poster campaign in order to make people understand, to make people know these are our points of demand, and also to make the government know that HYC will not stop till the government implement or accept the demands made by HYC. So that is the point of the poster campaign today.